Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, if you're new guys, welcome. My name is Jasmine. Today we're going to be doing unboxing, which happened just last minute. I was not planning for this. This was not on my schedule at all, but it just happened. It just popped up. For 2 days there was this deal. You only had 2 days to sign up for a mystery bag, and this was from Huda Beauty. And you had an option of 2 different bags. You had an option to purchase the small bag, or you could purchase the large bag, or purchase both. But I'm like, you know what, the small most likely is gonna have mini palettes, and I have a few of her mini palettes which I really like, I enjoy. Some I have barely used. Oh, I'm missing another one that I have in my purse. I really like her mini palettes, but I've never purchased a big palette. They could be very pricey, and yeah, that wasn't my thing. But once I saw the price, it was $89 for the bag. It was a mystery bag, but the value was going to be about $200, I think, and $49. So I'm like, you know what, this might be my opportunity, since I seen something similar happen last year and it happened so quickly that I missed out. So I'm like, you know what, this time I'm going to go ahead and do it. This is how it looks like. This is the bag, the large bag. So guys, this is the large bag, and let's go ahead and open it. I love the details. It tells you her name on the bottom, Huda Beauty. It has a tag letting you know that you're going to be getting 2 different brands here, Huda Beauty, and her skincare line, which is called Wishful, is also expected in the bag, and I believe we expect that on both of the bags. I did share this quickly as soon as I saw this. I shared this on my website, so I'm going to leave my link below, so you sign up to the newsletter. That way you don't miss out of any of these mystery deals like that. I like to share spoilers too, so if this is something you like, then go ahead, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So let's go ahead already and open this bag. So this bag is supposed to be worth about $200, almost $250. So, and as you know, her items could be very pricey, and I wanted a large palette, so I assumed there was going to be a large palette in there. I took a risk, and let's see if we got that. So the first item we got was, once you open it, and once I signed up for a sample. I always wanted to get a sample, and I love perfume, so the sample I selected, the only one that they had available was this collection, and this is perfect because I have checked her vanilla one and I really like. Now I get to check out the other 3. So I'm excited. I really love perfumes, and so far they do smell pretty nice. Do you have a favorite? Let me know on the comment section. Then I got the lip strobe. This is called Huda Beauty lip strobe. You see it there, and the shade that I got is called Moody. I think this would have fit perfectly with me today. I never had tried really some of her lipstick. I have 2, I think, that I got on my Ipsy bag, but I have not even tried it. I know it's crazy. So yeah guys, I think this would have worked out perfectly today. So yeah, look how this is, and I like the wand. The applicator is really soft and thin, and it will make it really smooth. I really like that kind of applicator. So that's one thing. The one thing that we got was a lipstick in there, the lip strobe. Then we have a lip balm, and how cute is this lip balm? This lip balm goes so perfect with the bag, and I love that it snaps, and it tells you the shade, which is negligee. And look at that lipstick, it just sparkles. Oh, it is so pretty. So I think this is gonna go in my purse. I love the packaging. It's really cute. Another thing that I got was the lip liner duo. This is the lip dual eyeliner, pencil and liquid. This is the life liner. I'm not gonna open. I usually, when I get items like this, I just keep them, and then I do a nice giveaway with all of those items because I already have it. I got this in my BoxyCharm box, and this is from Huda Beauty. And one side you could get the liner, and then the other side you get the pencil, which I love that you get both in one. So yeah, I was excited when we started getting items from Huda Beauty, and we were expected to get some items for April's base box. I still don't know what it is, so I'm excited to see what is there, but I feel like this bag was going to be a really good deal, and that's why I got it. Another item that I got that I wasn't expecting, it did say we wouldn't get a tool, so I was hoping that the tool was going to be more of a foundation. I don't know if other people got maybe another type of tool, maybe a foundation, but in this one was the Basic B straight edge sponge applicator. So I got a sponge, and it's not bad because I need to get rid of the one that I have. So I'm going to try it out to see if this one really works really good. And let me tell you, I'm wearing Huda Beauty foundation today, and that could get a little heavy or thick, and using a sponge sometimes just makes it a little lighter, just a little bit. So I'm gonna test out that sponge and check out to see if it was worth it. Then I got this as well. I never paid this much for a palette, especially for a highlighter palette, because when this came out it was pretty pricey, but the rave and the reviews and how much people love it, I'm glad that it was in the box or in this bag and I get to try it. So this one's a highlighter palette, melted cream and powder. So it's a cream and powder, and this is called the Summer Highlighter Palette. I love that it got that tropical theme and it has a way to protect the shades, and I love the names inside. Copacabana and Mykonos. We went to Mykonos, so I'm excited to try that one. And let me tell you, that is my favorite color. How cute is that shade? And I just did it so gently. I don't even want to touch it or mess it up. I don't know. I know I need to, but I didn't want to touch it or mess it up. So I'm excited that this was there too. It's so pretty. Then I got finally a big palette. I don't have a big palette. I know. I just saw a picture, somebody sharing their bag, and they got another palette. That's the one that I wanted. But if you guys get the bag, hopefully you will not be disappointed if you already have this one. I know I would be disappointed if I have this palette, but I don't mind because I don't have it. And this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, the remastered one. Look at those details. Look how pretty it is. I'm pretty sure you guys already have seen it, already have it. How heavy it is. So I'm excited that I actually have this palette, and now I get to play with this one. And just the same way, it has that protection of this is the first time that I see a detail just like that. So I'm excited, guys, that I finally have this palette as well in this but yeah, I wanted one much younger you know, a newer palette. And the last thing on this cute bag, look how big this is. For the last thing here is a skincare product, and this is Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. When I opened it, it makes so much sense why the lavender color, because it does have a lavender scent. It does feel super lightweight, very light to the skin. It does have that lavender scent, but when I was reading, I'm really happy that it has lavender, honey, niacinamide and turmeric. So I'm excited to read more about it and see if this is one that's going to work for me. I'm just excited about those key ingredients that are mentioned there. So, and that one is $49. So am I happy with the bag? Yes, because I don't have any of those products except for one, and that's okay because I could give it away. I'm okay to give that away. And I did take a risk. I was hoping that there was going to be a big palette there, and there was, so I'm relieved for that. I did expect that there was going to be that specific moisturizer. When I did my post, I shared some products that I thought were going to be there, and I did guess this one right. I thought this was going to be there too, so I did get that, but I thought it was going to be other palettes. But it looks like there's going to be a variation. It looks like other people might be getting another palette, which that is good if they already have this one. So do I like this one? Yes, it's worth it, totally worth it, because of the prices here that I'm getting, and most of the times you don't see a great deal for these items. Now I will be bummed if later on BoxyCharm or Ipsy have these items for way less, because I ended up paying $89, but I think it was still a good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys this unboxing, this mystery box that just happened like for 2-day sale. But I was able to get it and not miss out. It looks like it didn't sell out quickly at all. I don't know if it sold out at all, but I'm excited that I was able to get this deal and share it with you guys, and we got to open it together. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and until the next video, bye.